Welcome in. As a CFF coworker, your role is to ensure the availability of IKEA products and fulfill customer orders in the most efficient, commercial, and safe manner. You will sit near the beginning of the product journey once IKEA products have arrived within the United States and will directly handle the product that reaches the IKEA customer. Accuracy and the careful handling of products is essential, as damaged products directly impact the customer's experience. You will be handling goods and utilizing the correct material handling equipment to operate safely and efficiently. Speaking of safety, it is at the forefront of all that we do. We must secure goods properly to allow for safe movement through the fulfillment unit and stores. We are looking for dynamic, action-oriented team players who are confident in making independent decisions. CFF coworkers can look forward to the opportunity to remain active, focus on the details, and experience diverse work tasks. At IKEA, a job isn't just a job. It's work that means something, that has a positive impact. It's work we all do together, making life better for millions. It's so much more than a job.